how is careers in this whole martech marketing shaping up, and what do you see people should adopt to be successful in the next 4 5 years? Because what skills you have to be prepared for, they need to be started with today.
So let's pick up people who are in today's current world.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है, brand managers who used to take care of the creative part. Certain used to have P&Ls responsibility as well. So if a brand manager currently needs to move to a place where he or she is also able to handle that tool, of course you need the training. इसमें आपका ब्रांड मैनेजर की जेडी इतनी फास्ट चेंज हो रही है, right? From knowing how to make a film or understanding consumer, it is becoming that have you used these following tools or not? Have you worked on them or not? So this is one shift. Second shift is becoming for the analytics person, and please comment on that. How you, what are you seeing in this? So analytics is now becoming relevant by saying that it doesn't stop here, which is the first party data. Can you also understand consumer insights? So between consumer insights and data analytics people, they're playing together now. So they have changes going into understanding this. So consumer insight person needs to understand not only what is Kantar telling you, but also your first party data. So that is another shift. Third is your tech guys, which are part of this ecosystem. People who gonna use the tool day in, day out. They need to understand creative as well. Because they are the ones, whatever is getting produced is getting pushed down that throat or funnel. While doing your CTR is a very, very important aspect.
Yeah, and CTR is not only the first CTR, then it's view through rates, then is a completion rate.
Correct. So you need to understand how do I see which creative worked well.
And earlier, they used to be 20 20 30 30 member team. Now तो 3 4 4 लोगों का team होता है. So it has also moving towards a generalist but a full stack. Okay, so you have to be a content. You need to understand the nuances of content. You need to understand the nuances of tech, and then understand how to make sense of the data. Tell me one piece in this is how important it is to be a content creator also by yourself.
Okay, so it eases a lot of your life's problem. Why? Because you're faster to market. And that we feel, of course, we feel that being faster to market allows me an edge over my competition.
I'm saying for the individual who's part of the team.
Yes, because if you are able to create content, you are able to understand, because the through and through part of the funnel is content only.
Yeah. So if you're doing it yourself, then you really rather than preaching, you are also doing.
Correct. If you are able to write a good post, if you're able to make a good reel yourself and ship it fast. Why? Because one, it's bringing fresh perspective, keep on bringing. There's a cycle that is keep on going. There is fresher content. This is more for people to see, and you are covering up certain relevant part, only then people will see. It's not that if I can sit down. Yes, by the way, people saw that 24 hours I did nothing and I sat in front of a mirror. There were 7 million views on it. Right? I'm sure it's a couple of years back. I don't know if you remember that. And people did that as well, by the way. But for a brand, if you're part of the creative team, if you're able to ship content yourself, it makes you faster, much more required. Why? Because you're able to understand, you're doing it yourself.
Yeah. So you don't need a CV or Instagram or LinkedIn handle, or at least master one method, one channel.
And that becomes your hiring prospectus.
Yeah. And you can also attract great people also because you are a content creator. Like if you see the Zepto's CMO, he himself is having a channel and he's doing.
He talks about whiskeys, right? So that's his play. Yeah, so absolutely right.
Amazing. Now tell me, what are things you look at people who in the careers in marketing and they want to develop? What are some mistakes they keep making?
So a lot of time, let's say a brand manager, because that's where your actual growth starts. And if your journey is to be a CMO, let's say, in that case, your journey, you should not stop at saying that यार मेरा काम तो सिर्फ creative बनाना है. आपका काम कंज्यूमर है. आपका काम, you have to understand your role. And I think that clarity sometimes is a problem of your manager, of your organization, or your vertical itself.
So they get transactional more than the big picture.
Big picture. The minute you start seeing big picture, you will start seeing the gaps. And the minute you start seeing the gaps, you will start solving those gaps. And when you're solving those gaps, you are making strides for you to grow.
Yes.
अब उसमें प्रॉब्लम ये रहती है कि मेरा रोल ही किसी ने डिफाइन नहीं किया. A lot of time you will hear a lot of people who are at this stage right now, let's say your manager stage, 5 years experience, and they will keep saying किसी ने मुझे बताया नहीं.
अच्छा है ना.
कि मैं ये भी कर सकता था. बट
And the role is evolving so fast ना कि जो इस जॉब के लिए मुझे हायर किया गया था, every 3 months it's changing. I think so. It is a good thing, I would say, in hindsight. People who ask too much ना कि what is the role and all, that's good. But if you get stuck up कि 2 साल पहले मुझे तो इसी जॉब के लिए हायर किया गया था, but my friend,
वो माइंडसेट चेंज है. करेक्ट वो चेंज होना ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज इवॉल्व इतनी फास्ट इवॉल्व है. बट उसमें आई थिंक वेयर आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक यू इज वन ऑफ द मेजर फैसेट, मेजर प्रॉब्लम which needs to be solved is how do you define the roles?
Yeah. So writing a good JD is a key thing.
And also defining their KPIs is also the key.
So outcome.
Outcome. So जैसे आपने मुझसे पूछा ना कि Martech stack डालूं तो what are my KPIs to evaluate whether I'm done successfully the implementation and now it's yielding. So the first and foremost, you have to make sure you understand that it is a requirement of the business. It's a cost of business. But then you pick up everything that you have seen in terms of your conversions, in terms of people landing up, in terms of your dropouts, in terms of the revenue generated, in terms of repeat as well.
Yeah. So how do you take a repeat? Say a retention marketing guy will have a KPI of my job is to take the repeat from 8% to say 9%. Now he cannot just do by marketing. He has to understand the customer journey, क्या cross sell है, क्या upsell है.
Absolutely. और पहले का उसका क्या flow है. तो KPI point of view से एक तो सबसे पहले हो गया, am I able to bring in more revenue from the same number of people?
Yeah.
सबसे पहले ये finalize करना है. Second, you have to showcase that each and every, because now I have a linkage, I know my consumer well, their flow is available for me to see. Whatever at a broken level was your conversions. Now have those conversions improved it for you or not at each level?